Philip, thank you for joining us tonight. Would you mind just sharing a little bit more about Sheridans and what you do there?
Yes, certainly. I lead Sheridans' data and technology practice, but one of the reasons we're involved with Open Banking Excellence is because we have a particular expertise in data, but also in FinTech, investment and supporting growing companies. So we think it's a very exciting area.
What I would like to talk to you about tonight, actually, about this exciting project that we've been working on, Open Banking Excellence app. It's the industry first, and Sheridans has been a key part of this project. So I'd like to ask you, why did you get involved, and what do you do for this project?
Well, not that I need to tell you, but open banking is a super exciting area. It's an area where it's focused on innovation, and it's hoping to open data sets out in the financial service industry. It's a great example of the way in which a community like Open Banking Excellence can connect larger players in the industry along with smaller fintech companies, as well as advisors and consultants, and also possibly investors in that community to help it thrive. But I think what's been fantastic about the app is that it's really been built on collaboration, which has been key to its success.
Wonderful. So what particular role did Sheridans play in making sure that this wonderful project sees the light?
Well, what we've sought to provide legal support, but not being too heavy-handed, but helping just to guide some of the contributions to the app and the community, both to ensure that Open Banking Excellence and also those who've been involved get what they want out of it. Well, certainly as Sheridans as a firm, we're always delighted to support innovation. Because our whole firm of practice is based on supporting the creative industries, and you wouldn't necessarily think that the financial service industry is one of those, but absolutely it is and can be, and it's that creative entrepreneurs that are developing innovative data sharing models in that area is a great example of the opportunities for how we can improve, I suppose, customer service and having more competition in that sector for the consumer.
Where do you see the value of a community like Open Banking Excellence? Well,
as I said, the Open Banking Excellence is essentially the glue that binds together all the stakeholders in that community. So we have the investment community, the FinTechs, the CMA9, also some of the challenger banks, and that community can help learn things from each other. So, for example, one of the problems or challenges that we've seen in open banking is some of the legacy systems that some of the large organisations have. I think they can learn from the agile development methods, for example, that fintech companies have, but equally the fintech companies need to draw on the years of experience that the banks have, for example, in relation to security, governance and process. So I think there's certainly a win-win there for both sides of the equation.
Where do you see Sheridans actually making a difference in the open banking ecosystem?
Well, I mean, I'd like to think we have a relatively fresh approach to the way in which we advise clients. As I said, we are lawyers first and foremost, but we like to integrate ourselves within clients as far as we can, almost act as in-house counsel and work with them. We're passionate about their businesses, very much like to get involved and understand how those businesses work, and don't see ourselves necessarily as an external law firm. Although we are one, we like to integrate ourselves as much as possible within that community, and it's fantastic to be able to support that community.
Brilliant, thank you very much.